Today, I'm going to show you how to make the best baked mac and cheese. Go ahead and boil whatever noodles you would like to use.
Start your computations.
I used penne. While the oven's preheating, let's go ahead and make the breadcrumbs for on top of your baked mac and cheese. This is super simple, just some panko, breadcrumbs, and I'm going to use some nutritional yeast and olive oil. And then I'm going to add a little bit of garlic and salt. And then go ahead and knead that up and add a little more olive oil if you need to.
I think we're getting into a weird area here.
Maybe. So I'm going to make the sauce in the same pan as the noodles. I'm not going to make it in a separate pan, which I sometimes do. I'm going to use this Daiya Alfredo style sauce, which I have never used before. I'm going to go ahead and add this in while there's still a little bit of water left boiling down, and just stir it in. Go ahead and add whatever milk you would like to use. I'm using unsweetened almond. Next, I'm going to add some tahini. I've only recently started adding this to pasta, but it really gives it a creamy texture. I'm also going to add some leftover homemade hummus that I made. I like to add hummus to my pasta because, once again, it really makes it creamy. And of course, we have to add nutritional yeast because this gives it that cheddary, which I know it's Alfredo pasta, but it gives it like that nutty cheese flavor that you want. A little bit of the Trader Joe's chickenless seasoning. And some black pepper if you would like. So now we're just going to put our pasta into a baking dish, and then we can cover it with our breadcrumbs. And now you can go ahead and place this in the oven, and I baked it until the top was golden brown, which took about 20 to 30 minutes. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching.